Okay. Next, after this, we have to write one. First, we have one API reducer should be there somewhere. Book reducer you have, it was working well. Similar way we have all data is a file, okay. User reducer is another one. My action is here. We have not written anything in that. Leave that. API.js file where we are listing the data, fetching the data. We will have one file somewhere called API reducer. Open the API reducer. In API reducer, you can write here if action.type equal to action.type double equal to action.type double equal to API data, then come inside old state equal to action.all data dot all API data. Under the old state, we are assigning the new content. Okay, hope ready. Now come to the your API.js file. You have to pass two parameters. Type equal to API data and action dot this one. Solution. Action dot all API data from the API.js file. In API.js file, you have to import dispatch. Import dis use dispatch. Use dispatch from React redux. In this previous file, we have done the same. From React Redux, we have called use dispatch we have called here. Same way we are doing here. Use dispatch from where? React Redux. From React Redux. Okay, use dispatch from React Redux. Next, after that, you have to create the object of use dispatch. So const dispatch equal to dispa use dispatch equal to const dispatch equal to use dispatch. Now using use dispatch, we have to send the data, but before that, one function is required that we are going to call on click. Okay, now right here, another function called send data equal to under the send data you will be writing here a variable info equal to or maybe data equal to flower bracket inside one will be called type equal to type colon what is the type we are given. In API reducer type is called
all API
type colon API data, and after that next what we have all API data colon this data, which data? Car, list of cars. Return data. So whenever we call this function send data, it will create a JSON object. It will create a JSON completely. Type equal to API and all API data equal to car. If you want the left side, you can keep without double quote also. Left side is possible without double quote also and with a double quote. This is also possible like this. Left side is a variable object and right side is a value. Return this. Write this. Now we have to button we have on button click. We need to send this data to store. Need to dispatch this data to store. Car is the array. You cannot keep in double quote. Car is the array. Arrays will not be in double quote. So we added. Now come down, on button click. You have to send this data to store. So I will send on click. Click equal to, we have to call here dispatch. dispatch dispatch. Under the dispatch, we have to send data function. Send data function we need to call. Send data function, what it will do? It will create an object of API data and all API data, and finally this data will send to the store. Dispatch will happen to a store. Next, from a store we can access anywhere. Hope you wrote it. All data is a variable. Type is a variable. Similar way, all API data is a variable. It can be anything, but whatever you write here, you should capture the same thing under which file? API reducers. API data inside where? Type. And all data, all API data. Look at here. We are checking if type equal to API data, then what to do? Action of all API data take and give to whom? Old state. Old state will be passing to the by default inside your this one store. So if you have written this function, we can test now. See inside the API reducer, what is the function name? API list.
API list.
In API reducer, what is the function name? API list only. So this API.js is completed. Button click. We will go to that file. Inside that, the API reducer have the function called API list. So come to the all data. Write here one more call. Or API list. Come here in the beginning only. Write one. H4. car list, total car list, total car list, all car dot length. Provided. Now come to the api.js file. There is one car listing we have written table, not car listing, call lg3 we have written yesterday. So this call lg3 to 3 you can copy and come to that file. In all data, here you have to create a row. You cannot paste directly. You need to create a row. Class equal to row. Inside that row you can paste this one and change this one for all car to all car. Car list we called here. We printed the length of the car and below we are printing the car information. So this data is coming from the store now. This data what we have, it is going to come from the store.
Sir, what is all car?
A variable. All car is a variable, all use is a variable, all user is a variable. Where we are fetching the data from a store and we are storing here. And from here we are taking and listing below. We are running the map function. Wherever the const is applied, all are as a variable. We written this. Now let us check now. Localhost colon 3000. So in all API, car list should be 0 as of now. Total car list is how much? 0. Now let me go here, add one. Okay, come to the API itself, 23. Send data to a store. Okay, send it. All APIs is printing here. Go to your page, API management. Data will come, click on send to a store, go to the all data, you will see here also car list will appear. So this car list is coming from a store 23 and this car list is coming from the backend JSON server. See, step by step you have to write. You don't be very. Yesterday data was coming. So first in API reducer, I have written one line. I will share you that line. In API reducer, we have written one line. Please copy and paste here immediately. I share the code, copy that and add here under the API reducer. I will write you step by step.
Sir, can you share the added code in our API data now?
I have sent some code, replace under the, place that code under the API reducer.
Sir, I want all data.
I'm saying this properly now. Do from one side, then it will work. API reducer you replace. Now come to the api.js file. This code is of yesterday, that is not up to date code. Which code? The listing part. Today we have written this much. Which much? This line is imported. I will share you. React Redux dispatch line. Hope we will add that line. Next, after that, we have added this much. Replace that. Import the use dispatch in the beginning and add the function here. After that, I will give you the button code. Button to button completely. Change all three. Let me know. So API.js is done. Now come to the all data.js file. In all data.js file, you call this line. In all data.js file, call this line. After calling that line, here in the beginning only, after h3, you will add this much of code. After h3, add that. Then check your data is loading or not still. Still showing blank page. Here we have the problem. This is API list, small or capital.
Capital, sir.
After writing capital also not working.
Yes, sir.
I have shared the code, I have replaced that.
Yes, sir. Just now I pressed it.
Run again, refresh the page, try again. Working last step. So many not working. I do. Where is your API.js file? First show me the list. Now come to browser. Refresh. Refresh complete page. Okay. Next after that, go to this file. API reducer. Show me API reducer. Three places why you open something. Okay, leave that. Dispatch. Under dispatch type equal to API data. All API data, all API data car. Return what? Data. So, the value for on click equal to dispatch. Use DIS. Dispatch inside equal the send data. Send data equal. Now go to that file now. API reducer. API data. Action all API data. Okay, return something. API list. Come to now this file. All data. API list. We know what to do it. All car dot length. My car in file. That's okay. Come to browser again. Click on that button. It's coming here. Who's not coming here?
Sir, I did it, sir.
Are you in the laptop?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll make you host. Share your screen quickly. Share your screen. Leave that all data. First, show me your component is working or not.
Yes, sir, working.
Keep full screen. Yeah, come to the browser now. Remove all data. Put localhost 3000. Go to the API. Yes, API management. Click yes. Click on this.
Yes, sir. Clicked it.
API data. This page was working yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Now open the code. All API.js file. In all API.js file, all data.js file. All car selector state API list you called here. Now below what you did, you are displaying call all car.langth, all car.map car info, something I've written. Okay. Next after that, row is open, row is closed. Save the file. Can you save this file? Now come.
Saved, sir.
No, yeah, come to other file. Come to the
Which
file
one?
uh, that call API.js file. Here are you calling go in the beginning, use dispatch. You called after that below you have created use dispatch, then data type equal to API data, all API data colon car. Come down below where is the button on
Use this.
called scroll down on CLICK equal to dispatch, send data you call here, move up little, return, send data you are calling. Okay. Now save the file, again come to the this one reducer page, API reducer. API list, here you wrote action.type equal to API data, when all API data will go to the old state, return old state. Okay, come to browser now. Come to that file. Which file? Not here, here. Right click, show me the inspect element.
Sir?
Go to the all data management. Click on last menu. Open the console. Go to the error. It is saying cannot read the property of all data.js. My all data. My all data. So that reading the property. That's what. Okay, open that file. All data.js file. What code you have written below? Comment that line. Comment the line number 7. Yeah, that line, comment it. Put double slash in the beginning. Line number 7. Yes. Come down. That today row to row you have written, no? That total dot length. Cut that
Yes,
much.
sir.
What you have written today, cut that. Yeah, till below. Cut.
That's
Save.
it, sir.
Yeah, save the file. Save it. It was saved or not?
No, sir.
That error is not up to the error. That error is your yesterday error.
No, sir. Just now also I done it, sir. It's
Where
open now.
now you remove the code, no? Why not working? Okay, so he's saying like my all data listen. Come down below. all book.map, come down below, all book.map, go down, come down, all user.map, come down. Okay, go up again, do the control Z. Okay, control Z again. Okay, save the file again, open the console. Go to the browser and open the console. Now read the error here. Go from the beginning. My all data component. My all.
Click on it.
No, don't click there. My all data component. Which file is that? Line number 14. Go to the all data.js. My all data you have written anywhere here? My all data is there in the beginning, no function.
Yes, sir.
Come down in the last. My all data is there. Go up again in the beginning.
Yes, sir.
Problem is in other files, okay? I will share the src folder.
Okay, sir.
Here's that and then let me know.
Okay, sir.
Close your server, close your VS Code, everything.
Yes, sir. I closed it.
Take this folder. Try this. After replacing the folder, check once.
Yes, sir. Checking, sir. working, sir.
Then I will send a URL of Redux related question answer will be there in that. You can follow. Redux was still here only. Your data is stored in one component and fetch in another component. Store one place and access wherever you want. That is the feature of Redux. The next class is on